Hello from Arugam Bay, we're still here. I think in the last video we mentioned that this area is really good for wildlife, so we're going to go out and see if we can see some. We're starting the video a lot later than usual because it's way too hot during the day to do anything. So it's like late afternoon now, but that's actually a really good time for wildlife, so we're going to head out.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, check out my helmet. So we've driven a little bit out of town because we're going crocodile hunting, and I think this place has some in the river. Is there one there? Oh, you just see him going in there. Scared him off. Floating away like a dangerous log. Massive monitor lizard. Who do you think you would win in a fight? More crocodiles. Loads of crocodiles. Way! There's a little one at the back as well. Cool. Are you scared of the crocodiles? No. Do you think they're dangerous?
Yes.
Very danger.
Not these ones. These ones are mugger crocodiles.
And are there any other sort of crocodiles in Sri Lanka? Are those the super dangerous ones?
Those are the super dangerous ones.
But I don't think they have them here, do they?
Maybe.
They
Not
might.
Here. No, but in the ocean.
In the ocean.
Sometimes
Okay.
they have.
Interesting. So there's also a lake just up the road which we're going to check out next, and there's more wildlife to see there, so that should be nice. There is one crocodile. So last time we came here, it was full of birds. There still are some birds, but not as many as last time.
I don't think we can go that way anymore.
Yeah, we're being approached by a lot of buffalo. I think we should leave actually because they apparently they can chase us. So let's go. There's a little bit of off-roading to come round to a different part of the lake. I don't know what we all see here. Seems to be some fishermen. There's a lot of birds of prey. So judging by the shells on this beach bit, they have some sort of snails and mussels. I'm going to go see if we can find some elephants now. It's getting towards that time when they're wandering around, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see some. Wild peacocks are everywhere here. So this area has loads of elephants. Here's like a small herd of them.
They're eating all the rice.
Josh says they're eating all the rice now, it's just been harvested. They are amazing. And on the other side of the road there's even more. So many. And there's one over there as well. These guys are getting closer. I think they're gonna come here. What did you think of the elephant encounter?
Very, very beautiful.
It was amazing, wasn't it? The sun was like super red.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah. And now we're gonna get some dinner. What are you getting?
I'm getting prawns.
Yeah. That means that I'm also getting prawns.
No, you're getting calamari.
I'm getting calamari. I've got two of my favourite things. Here are the prawns.
Big, juicy prawns.
Big ones, yeah. And I got the calamari. It is a new day and perfect time to resume our safari. Hopefully we'll see some more elephants. Do you think we'll see some more elephants today? So we've come to another crocodile place. There should be some in the river.
See any?
Yeah, I can't see any at the moment, but let's walk this way a little bit. Hopefully there will be some. Spotted one. Ah, there's a big one. Happy? They're very big and their teeth look really scary. We didn't see any elephants yet, but I think we have come upon an ancient Buddhist site, some sort of archaeological thing. So we're going to check it out. Maybe there'll be a view at the top.
I guess so.
Maybe we'll be able to see where the elephants are. Well, those steps look like they've seen better days. What What's this? Some sort of little cave. There's a cave with a... Is that a watermelon? No idea. I'm going to climb the dodgy steps. Well, here's the stupa. Not the first one of these we've seen. No signs really. Only one saying that it's a stupa, which obviously I got that. The views are pretty amazing though. Well, Josh found them. He had to do a little bit of detective work. They're over there. I'll zoom in. You can only just see them. There's quite a few, I think, behind that wall.
Yep, that's where all the herd is.
Yeah.
See behind the little house?
Yeah, there's loads of them. Oh, they're amazing. There's one over there and it's got tusks, which I haven't seen so far. Look at the little baby one. So cute.
Welcome to Cooking with Nim.
We're home now and we've been to the fish market this morning and I'm gonna cook all of these into a nice green curry. So I guess I just pull the heads off, right? Oh, look at that. Ink sac.
You're best off doing it over there next to the sink.
You have to pull out this thing.
Yeah.
And then you have to go in there. Oh! No, that's not very nice, is it?
No.
Okay, I'm going to move to the sink.
How's it going, Nim?
Yeah, it's quite gross. There's a lot of like slimy stuff inside.
Do you smell like fish?
Yes. I stink of fish.
So much guts.
Blah. It's so gross.
It'll be worth it though, it's tasty.
Yeah, for sure. But we shouldn't have bought a kilo. I think we should have got 500 grams.
I think we should have got a kilo. Why not?
Because it's a lot of squid.
Yeah, it was only £4.
Yeah, it was pretty much £4 actually. Yeah, imagine how much that would cost in the UK.
A lot
That would be
more.
crazy. This out. We're eating well tonight.
That's a lot of squids.
Yeah, I think there might be some left over for tomorrow, but that's okay. I've got leeks and garlic, some aubergines and some peppers. So I'm just frying all of that, and then I'm going to add some of that green curry paste. Curry paste is in, water's in, aubergine's in. That's going to just simmer for a bit. Okay, the squid's in, the coconut milk's in. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping for the best, and I'm making noodles as well. Dinner is served. What do you think?
Looks good. Tastes good. Delicious. Good job.
I think I did good. Did you like the dinner?
It was delicious.
Did I cook good?
You always cook very good.
Sorry. Well, anyway, this is going to be our last video from this area. We're going to move on in a couple of days to a new place. So I hope you enjoyed all the wildlife, animals and amazing scenery. but we're going to change it up a little bit and go somewhere a little bit different to here.
Like, share and subscribe for more cooking with Nimi.